Social media apps, changing the way we communicate. In the modern world, social media apps have become an essential part of our daily lives. Applications like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, now X, and WhatsApp allow people to connect instantly regardless of distance or time. These platforms have revolutionized the way we communicate, share information, and express ourselves. One of the biggest advantages of social media apps is their ability to connect people. Families and friends can stay in touch, even if they live in different parts of the world. Video calls, instant messaging, and photo sharing have made communication faster and easier. Moreover, these apps provide a platform for people to express their opinions, showcase their talents, and even start their own businesses. However, social media also has its negative sides. Many people spend too much time scrolling through their feeds, which can lead to addiction, stress, or anxiety. Also, the spread of fake news and cyberbullying are serious problems that affect users of all ages. It is important to use social media responsibly and be aware of the content we share and consume. In conclusion, social media apps have brought many benefits to our lives, from making communication easier to offering new opportunities for creativity and business. Yet, we must also recognize the challenges they bring and use them wisely. With the right balance, social media can be a powerful tool for positive change in the world.